What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button. It's totally free. And also, um, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you to buy, hold, and sell any crypto asset. This is all for entertainment purposes only. And also, don't forget to hit the like button. It's totally free and it helps the algorithm. And this is going to be another episode of Crypto Nation Reacts to the altcoin daily. The title here says four explosive coins set to rip through crypto markets. Okay, let's see what coins they're talking about. These four, um, cryptos or whatever they're talking about. Let's see if they list one of your favorite alts. But anyways, let's get right onto it.
Set to rip through the crypto markets. Smash that like button, send this video to a friend, let's get into it. I keep trying to turn you on to Injective Protocol. We told you about Injective Protocol when it was down here. Injective Protocol is ripping. This is still a project that I'm very bullish on because, in my opinion, they have great tokenomics. Let me show that to you. The Injective community has been burning INJ tokens since mainnet launch in 2021. Every week, a new burn occurs via an innovative burn auction that is extremely decentralized. But how does the burn auction work? Every week on Wednesday, 60% of fees collected across all the dApps built on Injective undergo a buyback and burn auction by the community. With the introduction of Injective 2.0, any dApp on Injective can contribute to the burn process as well. So for instance, yesterday, $65,000 worth of engine was burned. Just like with Ethereum, the more this chain gets used, the more of their token gets burnt. Great for tokenomics. If you're unfamiliar, Injective Protocol is the fastest layer 1 blockchain for finance backed by Binance, Pantera, and Mark Cuban. But what is Injective Protocol again? Injective is a basically derivatives decentralized exchange. So you keep control of your assets while you can do derivatives, forex, futures trading, cross-chain margin trading, MEV resistant transactions, zero gas fees, interoperability solutions. Built on the Cosmos blockchain as a layer 2, it is also bridged to Ethereum. Like I said, this is similar to Ethereum in that, and this is why I like Ethereum as well, one reason, very similar to Ethereum in that the more Injective Protocol gets used, the more dApps and things going on top of it, the more that Injective token gets burnt, good for supply and demand tokenomics. And with Injective gas fees being some of the lowest on the market right now, you gotta think Injective is going to continue to get used. Not to mention, the largest mainnet upgrade in Injective history will be released in a few weeks. The world is not ready. So yeah, I've been telling you about Injective for months, years now, and it is still on my list. The Chainlink ecosystem has great tokenomics, and in fact, has just hit a historical milestone of 2,000 plus projects now listed. See, at any time, you can head over to chainlinkecosystem.com and check out what products, how they're actually integrating with so many different DeFi protocols, NFT things, gaming, data providers, blockchain, node operators. You can browse by chain, you can browse by product. The latest in DeFi, the latest in proof of reserves, Chainlink is doing a lot. And so they're celebrating 2,000 plus projects integrated with Chainlink. From our first 1,000 integrations back December 2nd, 2021, to now doubling that number, it's been an incredible journey. This is not just a number, it's a testament to the dedication, innovation, and hard work of the Chainlink team and the community. To every developer, partner, and supporter who's been a part of this journey, your contributions have been invaluable in shaping the Chainlink platform into what it is today. This milestone is not the end, but just the beginning. As Chainlink continues to grow and evolve, I'm excited to see what new heights we can reach together. Here's to the next 1,000. And forget about the partnerships. Obviously, if you subscribe to us, you know Chainlink is partnered with, working with not only some of the biggest names in crypto, but some of the biggest.
Yeah, guys, I agree, man. Chainlink is definitely going to be a beast. This next crypto bull run, I can see Chainlink going all the way up to maybe $500 a coin. Probably by early 2025. But Chainlink is definitely gonna be up there. I'll give it $400 to $500 a coin. Chainlink, those are yeah, they're already calling it the Google of crypto. Amazing. Yeah, I'll say that's right now. Chainlink is obviously the top Web3. I'll say for its blue chip, as blue chip is concerned, they're the top between Chainlink and ICP. Yeah, those are the two top. I'll say blue chip um, alts for the Web3 sector.
Names in the legacy world, kind of bridging Web 2 finance to Web 3. But in addition to the partnerships, what's going to keep them in the public eye? Narratives are so important. Chainlink has launched an upgrade staking version 2 on Ethereum. So Chainlink, the leading Oracle network, has launched an upgraded staking feature on Ethereum mainnet aimed at enhancing the security and flexibility of the Chainlink ecosystem. So what exactly has been improved? Key improvements in Chainlink staking version 0.2 include greater flexibility for stakers through an unbonding mechanism, improved security guarantees for Oracle services through slashing, and a modular architecture to enable future enhancements. By staking linked tokens, ecosystem participants, including node operators and community members, help secure the network and earn rewards. Do not bet against the winners, my friend. Chainlink is a quality crypto protocol in the space, generating tons of revenue. I'm bullish. Real quick, Altcoin Daily once again has received a great honor. We're nominated for a Web3 Influencer Award. We've participated in this in past years and actually been winners in past years. This is such a big deal for us, but we need your help, my friends. Please, I'm going to leave a link below. Head on over and vote for your favorite influencers in general, but specifically Altcoin Daily for best current events coverage. We've been with you every step of the bear market. It literally takes 60 seconds to cast a vote for Altcoin Daily. I'll leave the link below. Please click through and vote for Altcoin Daily and vote for your favorite influencers, and let me know in the comments if you did. Appreciate you guys. Speaking of betting on the winners, MicroStrategy, the madman Michael Saylor himself, buys another 16,130 more Bitcoin for $593 million. MicroStrategy's total Bitcoin now equates to 6.59 billion in Bitcoin. The man is cost averaging, and he's the one we publicly know about. There are so many mystery whales just buying, and we can see that if you look at on-chain analytics. Mystery new Bitcoin whale buys another 612.5 Bitcoin, acquiring a total of 11,000 Bitcoin in just 29 days. Here it is. Bitcoin is my biggest holding. I'm hugely bullish on Bitcoin for similar reasons as Michael Saylor describes.
Give me an example of something you can own $100 million of where you can take personal custody of it and where you can actually move it anywhere on earth, and where even if I hold a gun to your head, I can't take it from you. And the only thing we've ever figured out that you can do that with is Bitcoin. And so Bitcoin is like, it keeps everybody honest. The optionality to do this means that all you got to do is find one bank in Singapore that'll treat you better than the bank in New York or London or Tokyo, and then you can move it in a half an hour for $5. And what happens next? The bank in New York thinks, well, I guess we can't screw these guys over because they'll just move it to Singapore. And the guys in California say, well, I can't just tax all the Bitcoin in California. It'll move to Wyoming. It'll move to Singapore. It'll move to Malta. And at the end of the day, you can tell everybody to go fuck themselves. You can put it in your head, memorize the freaking key, right? And it's here. And then, the classic Bitcoiner response is, oh, yeah, my Bitcoin, I lost it in a boating accident. You ever heard that phrase? It's kind of a trope, but what it means is at the end of the day, if you push me too far, I lost it. It's gone. Sorry. Tax that.
And I love the way that Lawrence Lepert, who has 40 plus years of investing experience, this
That's funny. Lost it in a boating accident. Yeah, yeah, that's one thing about it. Those whole those taxes. But yeah, Michael Saylor, yeah, he's pro Bitcoin. This guy right here, that's all he buys is Bitcoin, and like Bitcoin is the only thing that he believes in. But he has that right. Like he's so diehard Bitcoin. Like he don't believe in any altcoins. He's only in Bitcoin, and that's it. He's a true Bitcoin maxi.
This guy's a legend. I love the way he describes this, and it just seems to me that more and more traditional finance people like Lawrence Lepert are saying Bitcoin is the most asymmetrical bet I've seen in 40 plus years.
Freedom. Freedom is why I love doing apartment deals, just like the one you're seeing on the screen now. And the good news, man, I'm not special. When you meet me, you'll understand that. You probably already understand.
Listen.
And think about Bitcoin's a commodity, right? The SEC said it's a commodity. It is a commodity. One coin's the same as the next. Okay, fine. Every commodity in the world, if you increase its price, the supply goes up. If gold went to 10,000 tomorrow, we'd mine more gold. Higher price, you would get more. No matter where the price of Bitcoin goes, the issuance schedule is set. There's not going to be any more. It comes out, every block is, 6.25 coins right now, soon to be half of that. The world has never seen anything that really kind of looks like this. I mean, Bitcoin from inception has grown at 145% compound annually, and it's got a lower Sharpe ratio than any other asset. I mean, this is an amazing beast. It really is. But it's volatile, and to some it's scary, and I get all of that. But, I've long contended that anybody who has zero of this is really, really missing the most asymmetric bet that I've ever seen in 40 plus years of trying to make asymmetric bets.
Smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel, because let me show you this. We try to show you things. We try to show you everything relevant going on in the cryptocurrency market, no matter what it is. Different publications are quality, but they sometimes only show you one side. For instance, I'm a big fan of Bitcoin Magazine. They do great work with Bitcoin. When it comes to crypto, it's kind of lacking. I'll show you what I mean. They've reported, and this is true, just in 250 billion asset manager founder Rick Eldman says financial advisors are waiting for a spot Bitcoin ETF approval to provide Bitcoin to clients. Hugely bullish, obviously touting how smart and savvy this man is and how well, in tune he is with what the clients want. What was less reported, but we're going to show this to you, is that same $250 billion asset manager founder Rick Edelman said this in the same interview: I'm personally more excited about Ethereum than Bitcoin, and many others are as well. Guys, I'm going to leave you with this. Subscribe to the channel. There's so much more we're going to be covering in the next couple weeks. Cryptocurrency is finally getting exciting again. Now is the time to really dive in as we're approaching next year's Bitcoin halving. But check out what this financial advisor has to say regarding Ethereum and crypto, not just Bitcoin. I love this.
So one other thing is that, interestingly, Ethereum ETFs are expected to launch not that long after, since Ethereum actually falls into the same regulatory category as Bitcoin, at least as far as approving a spot ETF is concerned. So what are you seeing from the financial advisor community on that? Is anybody noticing or talking about it or interested?
The crypto community is paying attention to the Ethereum ETF applications. BlackRock has filed one, which got everybody excited. But I don't think anybody outside of the crypto community is paying a lot of attention, because most folks are, let's face it, most people don't even understand Bitcoin, let alone Ethereum. So no, I don't think there's a whole lot of attention being played outside of the crypto community, but there soon will be. And this is the real story that I'm most excited about, that nobody's really paying attention to. Everybody's focusing on the advent of the Bitcoin ETF. That's fine. It's all well and good. We will see investor engagement. We will see advisors participating. But after a period of not too long, I don't know if it'll be months or if it'll be a couple of years, but at some point, I think it'll be sooner rather than later, advisors are going to say, wait a minute, I got my client into Bitcoin, but it's just Bitcoin. That ETF is only holding a single asset. I don't like to highly concentrate my client's assets. When I invest in the stock market for my client, I give them broad-based portfolios, the S&P 500, 500 stocks. We buy the Vanguard total stock market index of 3,000 stocks. We do the NASDAQ. We do the Wilshire 5,000. We believe in diversification. There's a lot more to crypto than just Bitcoin. So why, if I'm excited about crypto, am I only doing Bitcoin? Especially after I bought the Bitcoin ETF, guess what I discovered? Bitcoin did not grow in value as fast as some other coins. And FOMO will set in. I'm missing out on the opportunities of those other coins. I'm missing out on the opportunity to diversify my crypto portfolio. I'm missing out on the gains that others are operating and providing. I'm missing out on the rebalancing opportunities of additional digital assets. So advisors and their clients will quickly realize, I don't know if this will be weeks or months or if it'll take longer, that there's more to crypto than just Bitcoin. And they will want to turn to other digital assets. The first natural place for them to go is Ethereum. It's the second largest digital asset. Many believe that this has better usage in the commercial application because of its technological capabilities. I personally am more excited about Ethereum than Bitcoin. Many others are as well. And pretty soon, I don't know if it'll be days or weeks or if it'll be months or years, people are going to realize I should own more than just Bitcoin. In fact, some of the applications we're starting to see are for combo funds. They invest in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Some, such as Bitwise, has a fund that invests in the top 10 digital assets. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the top two, and then they have the next 8 largest coins. So investment advisors who love diversification are going to start to encourage their clients to buy more. They're going to say, I gave you 1% of Bitcoin, but let's not.
Dude, Solana, he didn't mention Solana. Solana's number 3. Solana's actually outperformed both of them, actually. Even though Bitcoin is doing good, Solana is like, Solana's next up.
Not stop there. Let's go get another 1% of Ethereum. Let's increase our overall crypto allocations to somewhere between 3 and 5. And that is of more diversified nature. And this is going to be a rising tide environment for the entire crypto community. And it's then off to the races. It's going to be really, really exciting.
Did you know that there's only one Data and AI event this year that will have speakers from companies?
All right, you guys. So we have it for the altcoin daily. Tell me what you think. Thanks again for tuning in. Hey, don't forget, if you're new here, you like the content, subscribe and hit the like button. And I'm going to get out of here. See you guys in the next one. Take care.